Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today I'm going to show you a few things. Alright, I'm going to be setting some pepper seed. I have 3 different type of pepper. This is bell pepper. This is a monkey face pepper. And this is habanero pepper. So I'm going to set these seed. I also going to show you my compost tea. This is a different compost tea I create, and this one it have no smell, which is the most amazing thing I can say. It have no smell. Look at it, it's 3 years old. This one is definitely 3 years old without any scent. The ingredients that I'm using is wonderful. It have no scent, and this is amazing. Natural compost made with natural ingredients from nature. Right through nature, I get some ingredients, put them together, some different type of plants, some roots, the body of the tree, different type of thing put together. This thing come beautiful with not a scent. You naturally can put it to your nose, no scent. So this ingredients is wonderful. I have another fertilizer that I create as well. I bring out that one last year, which is doing wonderful. There's a person that collects some from me, and his garden is doing beautiful. But this is a different one. This one have no smell. The other one have a serious scent, but this one have no smell. Now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to pour this in my raised bed into my soil. What this gonna do, this is something that gonna draw earthworms. It's also gonna draw a lot of different beneficial insects into this soil. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm just soaking the soil with this and just allow it to marinate until the spring. That's all I'm going to be doing, soaking it. The color of it is not too dark. It's just a light, beautiful color without any scent at all. So this, I'm soaking the soil with it and just leave it here to marinate. Now, what this gonna do, this gonna find itself attracting the beneficial parasite, the insect, the earthworms that we want to dwell in our soil and prepare our soil for the spring. This is wonderful. This is something I do all the time. So this is facts that these things works in your garden. So all I'm doing now, I'm preparing my garden for the next garden season. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this video could motivate someone. Don't forget guys, please like, subscribe and share.